So I'm going to show you how to make this little gingerbread card, or you can do a gift tag or some wrapping paper. And all you're going to need is a potato, a little mini gingerbread cookie cutter, a knife, a black marker pen, some brown paint, just any acrylic paint is fine, and I'm just using a jam jar and a little brush to put the paint in. So all you need to do is slice off part of your potato, get your cookie cutter, and you want to push that down into your potato. And you don't want to push it the whole way, you just want to push it maybe a third of the depth of the cookie cutter. And then this is where you use your knife. You then just guide your knife around, kind of like when you're going around your apple tart, cutting off the pastry. So you just slide it around, and the knife will hit the cookie cutter where you have it in the potato. And then you just slice it off. And there you have your little gingerbread man stamp. So once you've done that, you want to get yourself a kitchen towel or cloth, and you just want to get the excess dampness off of the potato before you add the paint. And then what I'm going to do is get a blank card ready, and I've got some brown acrylic paint here in the lid, and you just want to get it on the brush and then dab onto the potato stamp. So don't put too much on it because otherwise it will smudge. Okay, there we go. And then make sure you stamp it the right way up. So you just gently place it onto the card and press it down and lift up, and there you go, there's one done. So we're going to leave that dry before we add his face, and we'll do another one. And the great thing about this is you can do a whole little production line of little gingerbread men cards, and the best thing is to do a batch of them all at once. So you press that down. Oops, I just smudged that one. Okay. And then what I really like about the potato print is if you can zoom in on the card there, you can see the texture is slightly different, and I kind of think that adds the effect almost like proper gingerbread. So once that's done, you just wait for it to dry, and then I just used a black marker pen to add the face. So you just want to do your two eyes. I'm doing this upside down now, so I can't really see. And there you go. And then if you have any other pens, we'll give him a little dicky bow. And that's it. It's as easy as that.